press it when I'm back.
Yes, sir. Press your back.
Back.
Yes, sir.
There go. 1, 2, go.
Go video coin. Everybody dark on the set, you're good to go. Why? And now this is our second test rocket for today, and this one is longer than the previous one that we tested today. This one is around 20 inches tall, and if you look, I see this one has a look at the fin there. It has something like an elevator or a rudder, or depending, because normally in rockets it calls fins, but in airplane it's called the elevator and rudder. The one that will make it to go up and down is elevator. Then why the one that will make it to go right or left is called the rudder. But for this one is the fin attached to the fin. So look at the control there. Once I look at the control pad, and with it here. So once I click like this, it changes. Have you seen it? The fin has changed. The elevator has changed. Have you seen it? Wow, it has changed. Now let me press back. It has changed, gone that side. Have you seen it? How the thing changed? So that is how it works. And now thank you for this is a control rocket. So it means that I can control it using this thing to control the target and to hit a specific target. And this one also can travel up to that 2,000 feet. 2,000 feet. So we are going to set it up and fire it. Thank you for watching.
Set. Okay. This one, make sure it's on target so that you do not miss it. We'll get the targets and we'll go. Because this is the target. Yeah. What's that behind the nanya kabaya? I forgot the reaction yana this was. Let's see how it goes. Yes. Number one not bulletproof, but we want to get it and see what it look like. Get ready. Jesus. Wash your bin or wash your that thing. Wash your good as well. Wash your as well. Who you give me beer? Wash your as well. I'll call him Weber. It's a good work on that one. Tin you go before escalate. People know sellotape and sellotape and